Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be making a Ugandan snack known as mpogola or hard corns. I'm going to be making them in two different ways, crispy and crunchy. So start by sorting the dried maize and remove any dirt, any stones that are in there. Depending on where you got your dried maize from, I used half a kilo of dried maize. Kindly help me grow by subscribing, like my content, and let me know what you think about my videos in the comment section. Then wash it until you are satisfied it is clean. Then we are going to soak it in water. The longer the better, so you can do this overnight or you can just soak it like for 10 hours. So the longer the better. I soaked this for 5 hours. This was a video requested by one of my subscribers. After 5 hours, I placed it on heat, added a little bit of salt and 4 cups of water, then boiled. Check every now and then as you boil. If there is need of you adding a little bit of more water, please do until the maize is soft and it is ready like the way we boil maize. So at this rate, once it is ready, turn off heat and drain any excess water that is in there. We are going to let it cool. You can see that it is soft. It is ready. It is just like maize, the way we cook maize. So spread it on a tray and you can sun dry it outside because we want it dry before we can start frying it, or you can use a paper towel and pat dry it like the way I am doing. So yeah, kindly subscribe to help me grow, like the video and leave a comment below. Then I divided it into two. I wanted to make one that is coated to compare with the one that is not coated. So to the other part I added cornstarch 2 tablespoons. Meanwhile, do not forget to click on the bell to turn on your notifications to be notified whenever I post a new video. Let me know what you think about my recipes in the comment section below. Once you are done, sieve and remove the excess flour that is in there. Heat up enough oil in a pan and then add your maize and start frying on medium heat until it is crispy and brown. I started with the other batch that is not coated with flour. Kindly check out my other videos of the different Ugandan snacks. I have made plantain, I have made a bagia and many more other snacks. As you fry, make sure that you cover on one side because the corns can pop up and they can burn you in the face. So cover up as you fry until they are brown. Remove and drain on a paper towel to remove any excess oil that is in there. Kindly subscribe to help me grow. Do not forget to like the video because it helps me with YouTube algorithm. Then add the coated corns and also fry them until they are crispy and crunchy. Do not forget to follow me on my other social media platforms, Snapchat Ugandan Kitchen, um, Instagram Ugandan Kitchen, TikTok Ugandan Kitchen. Meanwhile, season with salt the first bunch that we fried, or you can decide to spice them up with any herb or spice of your choice. And these are the commonly known Ugandan pogola or hard corns. After they have cooled down, store them in an airtight container and you can enjoy these as an evening snack. You can package these in small polythene bags and this can be a small business for you and you sell them to retail shops. For the second batch, I decided to spice them up with a little bit of chili powder, paprika and salt. Mix that up and add it on the hard corns. Do not forget to click on the bell to turn on your notification to be notified whenever I post a new video. Let me know what you think about my recipes in the comment section below. These are so crispy, they are tasty, they have a little bit of spicy because of the chili that we have used. So you can use very many different variations and you are good to go. They are so yummy, they are so tasty and super crunchy. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below. Let me know what you think about my recipes in the comment section. Until next time, thanks for watching.